Hey you, Jira lovers! Today we are gonna dig into this killer new feature in Jira Service Management called Organization Detail Fields. Yeah, I know, it's not as new as I said, but I bet that some of you don't even know that this is available. It is a total game changer for keeping tabs on all the details about different organizations right in Jira. If you are dealing with a ton of clients or departments, this is a must-have. Let's break it down and show you how to crush it with this feature. Organization detail fields lets Jira users grab custom information about different organizations, like contract terms, account managers, company type, and more. You can check out these fields right in your issues, so all important stuff remains in one spot. Whether you're working with clients or internal departments, this feature keeps all the key details right at your fingertips. Alright, let me show you how to turn on this awesome feature. First, choose your JSM project. Then, click on Project Settings. Select Features. Scroll down till Customer and Organization Profiles. Enable it. And boom! This feature is now available for you. Now, let's talk about how to set up these fields. Let's say you want to add this field called Support Contract Level to track different support tiers your customers are on. You can create a drop-down field for basic or premium level. It's super easy, and I'll guide you through the steps. In your JSM project, select Organizations. Click on Manage Details and choose Manage Detail Fields. Click on Create Field. Give it a name to the field. And for this case, choose the field type Single Select drop-down. Add some options. Click on Create. And enable to show on the issue view option, so this field will appear on any issue associated with an organization. And now, my friends, let's see how to use it. In your JSM project, add an organization. Select the organization you've just created. And choose the correct value for your field. Well, now every time your support teams opens a ticket from a customer, they'll know exactly what level of service to provide. Want to see what it looks like in an issue? Just open an issue, expand the organization details, and there you have it. Your support, contract level, and other fields related to the organization. As you can see, my friends, organization detail fields are a game changer for grabbing the unique information your team needs right in Jira. They'll help you to stay organized, boost your communication, and level up your reporting. Plus, you can filter and sort issues using these fields to set up queues, SLAs, or even reports. Well, my friends, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Jira tips. Got any questions or feedback? Just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Jira tips.